I think I found the magic, guys. I have a new love. Granted, I've only used it once, but my first impression has been amazing. I am talking about the Dashing Diva Red Therapy Prime. This is a base coat that you put on your natural nail before you put on your press-on nails. It creates a protective barrier and evens the surface for a longer lasting manicure. It also helps prolong the wear of each set of nails and protects your natural nail when you are removing the press-on nails. It is super easy to use. All you have to do is prep your nails like you usually do before putting on your set of nails. Then you polish your nails evenly and let dry completely. After it dries, you apply your press-on nails like you always do. To remove the prime, all you have to do is use fingernail polish remover. I wanted to test this product out before I shared about it, and I cannot believe how well this product has worked. I have had these nails on for a week and I have not had one nail fall off, guys. And I am really, really hard on my nails. I don't think I have ever had a set of nails where I haven't had at least one or two fall off and I had to re-glue them. And I really wanted to put this product to the test, so I didn't even really rough my nails up before I painted it on. And my nails have stayed on. I am amazed. As of right now, this will go on before every set of nails I put on. Now I really want to try the Dashing Diva press-on nails.